nutrition that supports the regeneration systems of the body. Over 50 years of research and development have focused not just on identifying the top plants on the planet, but also on discovering the most beneficial molecules from these plants and understanding their effects on the human body. This research has led to the creation of 3 remarkable products based on specific molecule technology, which utilizes particular plant molecules that serve as food for the body. Let's start with the fundamental science. Life is in the blood, and the building blocks of blood come from food. Only food can create lasting change in the body. Specific molecule technology means that the molecules remain unchanged from their structure within the plant. As a result, the body doesn't need to break them down or digest them. They can immediately go to work. This allows the body to use its energy for healing rather than digestion, enabling it to utilize nutrients from these molecules at an extremely elevated rate. The products created from this research into blood-supporting molecules are iHercules, iRevive, and iHercules high-frequency eye patches. iHercules was developed to support the body's 3 systems of regeneration: the vascular system, including microcirculation, the immune system, and your self-stem cells. Microcirculation feeds all the nutrients in the body, all the way down to the cells of our body. By supporting nutrients for the blood, the body is naturally able to alleviate the crud in the blood. Healthier blood heightens your immune system. This is key to all the functionalities of our body, including eliminating zombie cells. Zombie cells are damaged cells in the body that just will not die, but they use nutrients and excrete toxins, which create more zombie cells. The only thing that can eliminate these cells are your own uplifted immune system. iHercules also feeds nutrients to support stem cell production throughout the body and is from the inside out, offering the chance for a longer life. At 30 years of age, only half of a person's stem cells are active, and by age 60, very few are active. With a heightened immune system and healthier blood, your self-stem cells are able to become new cells at an elevated rate, which is also how our bodies regenerate naturally. This is not anti-aging, it's reverse aging. What we are talking about is feeding the core systems that God gave us to regenerate. iRevive cream enhances iHercules and targets issues from the outside in. It promotes new skin formation and supports stem cells in the skin's middle layer. These stem cells, called fibroblasts, can migrate to other areas of the body as needed. iHercules high-frequency eye patches are bioenergetic discs that, when placed on the body, help alleviate various symptoms such as pain and inflammation, stress and anxiety, energy, sleep, male vitality, female vibe, joint pain and inflammation, allergy relief, electronic chatter, weight loss and appetite suppressant, and mental clarity. They also carry the frequency of iHercules and grounding frequencies protecting us from electronic chatter, like cell phones, Wi-Fi, and 5G, allowing the body to bathe in these molecular frequencies all day. These 3 products work together. iHercules is built to support the core functionalities of life. iRevive allows you to target from the outside in and supports the regeneration systems of the body. iHercules high-frequency eye patches are for the symptoms of life. Eye patches, minutes to hours. iRevive, days to weeks. iHercules, weeks to months. iHercules is the core product, and it aims to provide a lasting solution. The proof is in the product's effectiveness. What the elite have known for years is now becoming available to the public. Better health leads to a better future.